mailman dropped the package. Drop on this yard. Just walking and fell off from his probably bag. And there it is. The package I'm gonna drop in that house that the address is showing. And what I'm gonna do, Poocho, there it is, Poocho. Poocho is gonna drop the package. I am here with Poocho. Poocho, you're gonna drop to that house. Pick it up and go to that house. Go, go. Go, 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 Poocho. Go, go, go. Left. Poocho, left. Go, leave it there. Leave it. That's okay. Poocho, it's okay. Come on. That's okay, Poocho. That's somebody's house. Okay, Poocho. Come here. Yeah, okay. Poocho, go pick up the package. Go. Go pick it up. And bring it to me. Come. Go to that house and leave it there. Go. Go, go, go. Poocho, go straight. Go, 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 go. Go, Poocho. Go further. Go, go, go. Go, go. Leave it there. Leave it. Okay. That's okay. Come here. No package. Come on. Come. Good dog, Poocho.